Yeah, people, what's going on? Jamaican yard farmer, there again, man. You understand? Yeah, people, I'm wanting to there with me, You understand? Yeah, man, I want to show you what I do. You see it? Yeah, because me feel more comfortable with it that way then. You understand me? Yes, so to the people, we are going yesterday two baby pick them in the pen. I'm showing you the other day with the mother. The two baby pick them with the mother. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the two baby pick them today and put in them in them own pen, people. You understand? Yeah, cause them get big. You understand? Yeah, them get big, them reach the size now. So it's time for them take off of them mother. Alright? Yeah, so people, stay tuned. Guys, these are my beautiful June plum tree. It don't grow deep. It don't grow tall, you know? No, it don't grow tall. Yeah, see it beautiful? Yeah. Hey guys, I have to seat it out first before we put them in, alright? Yeah. And yet still guys, the other trough, we didn't make the other trough over there. Alright, and for the other pig go over there, the trough have to be there. You understand? I have to put the trough over there, so the trough make another one here already, so I'm gonna just put the two of them in another 1 year for now. You understand? Yeah. I need money so I can buy cement, sand and stuff. You understand? So I can do certain things, people. That's why I tell you, I really need the little donation. You understand? So no, please donate anything at all. I really appreciate it. Alright guys? Right to the ground. Right to the ground. Yes guys, I think it's time now for them to come over. Alright? So stay tuned. Wild. I put my wild up. Yes, guys. Just get them up. Yes, guys. Them reaching at them pen now. Them dep on a growing level now, people. Them fully ready now. See them thick. See them thick and pretty, people. In no time them turn big hog. No joke. In no time them turn big hog. Alright? Yeah. See me. Mother over there so miss them people. Miss them like whoa. But I say it go. I try to get big. I have to go up on him own. In a real life. And that's no joke. Alright, people. Stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna be right back. Alright? Yes, guys. As I can see, we're going for some water for baby pig there. Alright? Beautiful, don't guys? Comment and tell me here. Yeah man, comment and tell me what you think about these two little pigs. Them beautiful, me nah lie, me love them. Over and over, me say that. That's them a beard. I wish if me have a bat like them people. Can't lie down, you know. Yeah, people. I wanna enjoy. Me a show no. I hope no. You know, I hope you enjoy all of what me just show no. A while ago. Alright, people. Take a look at this. Coconut trees. It's me plant them. Alright? As I can see, just I gotta put on back jelly on it. Yeah. Me plant that one over there to people. Yeah. I plant that one. And also that one up there. Alright? Yeah. I do plant 3 of these coconut trees. Yeah. good at planting, not good at farming, which is the same. Alright, people. Stay tuned. Alright? Everyone on my video that me drop, want to subscribe. Alright? Yeah. Want to subscribe, want to comment, and want to like, people. You understand? Yeah. Because me need 1,000 subscribers. You understand? Yes. Alright, people. I'ma hit you back soon, alright? Yeah, so take care all you guys. Remember to subscribe. You understand? Yeah, I'm here to show you all love. And people, please, I'm begging you, please donate to my farm, okay? Because I need a lot of things to be done on the farm. There's a lot of things to be done on the farm. So I'm just, no matter how small it is, alright? No matter how small it is, just please send me a donation, alright? Yeah. Peace. I'm out.